Hello students, today we are going to learn the lesson Our Helpers from class 2nd EVS. Community helpers. Who are the community helpers in your neighborhood? Let us see doctor. A doctor takes care of people's health by giving checkups and helping sick or injured patients. Some doctors work at hospitals and do operations on people. Doctors wear a long white coat so that they don't get germs. Now dentist uses tools like a toothbrush and a special light. He wears gloves, a white coat, a mask and magnifying glasses. Dentists clean germs, fix cavities on your teeth. Now nurse. Nurse helps people when they are sick or hurt. Nurses wear white uniforms. They administer injections and medicines. नर्स हमारा बहुत ध्यान रखती है. Now police officer. Police officer they work to keep us safe. They stop fights. They wear uniforms. They carry guns and handcuffs. They put bad people in the jail. Next one is traffic policeman. A traffic police officer helps the people to be safe on the road. He also gives speeding tickets when a car is speeding. Farmer. A farmer grows a food for us like rice, wheat, vegetables, fruits, etc. Vegetable vendor. A vegetable vendor sells vegetables. Sometimes he also sells fruits. जो आपके गली में भी आता है ना वेजिटेबल वेंडर. Now the gardener. Gardeners work in gardens. They grow plants, water them and tend to them with loving care. They use tools like watering cans, rakes and shovels. There would be no flowers without them. Now the carpenter. Carpenters use wood to build things. They use hand tools such as hammers, screwdrivers. They also use electronic tools such as power drills. Electrician. An electrician works with electricity. He works with wires and electrical appliances like fan, lights, टीवी, फ्रिज etc. जब हमारे घर में कोई चीज़ खराब हो जाती है तो इलेक्ट्रिशियन को बुलाते हैं. नाउ प्लम्बर. Plumbers fixes pipes in buildings. Plumbers fixes sinks, toilets and bathtubs. Plumbers fix pipes that leak. Plumbers ये चीज़ें ठीक करते हैं. Now barber. A barber helps us to manage our hair. He gives us a haircut, styles and dresses our hair for us. जिसकी वजह से हम स्मार्ट दिखने लगते हैं, है ना. Tailor. A tailor sews or stitches new clothes for us. He uses a measuring tape, scissors and a sewing machine for sewing clothes. Now the cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. He uses a shoe horn and needle and thread for this. कभी देखा है आपने, कभी अपने शूज या स्लीपर्स आपने ठीक करवाई है कॉबलर से, मेंड करवाई है. Now the sweeper. A sweeper helps us to keep our school, society, etc. clean. He uses a broom to sweep waste, leaves, dust, etc. आपने अपने स्कूल में देखा होगा ना, स्वीपर जो है क्लीन करती है. Teacher. Teachers teach children reading, writing and spelling. Teachers use pens, chalk, blackboard and books. आपको पता ही है, जो आपको पढ़ा रही है वो भी एक टीचर हैं. Firefighter. Firefighters fight fires. They wear protective clothing. They help our community by saving people from dangerous fires. They have a big hose to put out giant fires. Now the postman. A postman delivers important letters and cards to people. They wear a uniform and carry mail in a bag. Painter. They are painters who know how to paint a house. They have tools like brushes and rollers to paint a house, school buildings, etc. आपकी स्कूल बिल्डिंग में भी क्या हुआ है ना पेंट. Baker. Bakers make baked goods like bread, cakes and pizzas. Bakers wear white uniforms and tall white hats. Some bakers wear aprons to keep food off their clothes. Most bakers wear white gloves so that when they make pastries, the dirt on their hands does not get on the food or pastries. Chefs cook food for other people. Chefs wear a white hat, an apron, and shirts and pants. Greengrocer. The grocer sells food and products that people might need to buy in the grocery store. He uses a weighing scale to weigh things. Here are the activities you have to make. आपको एक कोई भी एक्टिविटी बनानी है यहाँ पे बाय यूजिंग वेस्ट मटेरियल. ये एक्टिविटी आप देख लीजिए. इसमें से जो भी आपको पसंद आ जाए वो एक्टिविटी आपको बनानी है कम्युनिटी हेल्पर पे. Now here is the poem. Community helpers. Teacher, teacher, what do you do? I teach reading and writing too. Doctor, doctor, what do you do? I help when you are sick with a cold or the flu. Firefighter, firefighter, what do you do? I help fight fires that might hurt you. Officer, officer, what do you do? I help you stay safe in all that you do. Here are some community vehicles. Pictures of community vehicles. You have to color as per the given: red, yellow, blue, orange and green. Here is the worksheet. Our helpers. First question is answer the following questions. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु मेंट्स अवर शूज़. कौन हमारे शूज़ मेंट्स करता है ये आपको यहाँ लिखना है. हु ब्रिंग्स मिल्क फॉर अस. हमारे लिए दूध कौन लाता है. हु मेक्स फर्नीचर फॉर अस. उनका नाम आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. नाउ राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स. डॉक्टर्स ट्रीट्स पेशेंट्स. ट्रू और फॉल्स आपको लिखना है. कॉबलर ब्रिंग्स मिल्क फॉर अस. ट्रू और फॉल्स आपको लिखना है. पुलिसमैन ब्रिंग्स लेटर टू अस. ट्रू और फॉल्स आपको लिखना है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑब्जर्व द फॉलोइंग पिक्चर एंड राइट देयर ऑक्यूपेशन. इन पिक्चर्स को ऑब्जर्व करके आपको इनके ऑक्यूपेशन यहाँ पे लिखना है. ये वर्कशीट आपको कंप्लीट करनी है. ये वर्कशीट कंप्लीट करके आपको मुझे सबमिट करनी है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thanks for watching.